at 2031 West Evergreen Avenue in Chicago, 2031. We are staring at the bathroom drain going down into the ejector pit here. This is the pipe that was linered perhaps a year ago, going all the way to the ejector pit. There seem to be no issues with the liner. It's a tie-in right there on the right there. And doesn't seem like any sanding is needed all the way at the end right here. There is another issue, however, we have identified. So pulling back towards the bathroom branch, right here is the issue. That's bend in the pipe, that's not the issue. Right here, however, is the issue. We have a sanitary T-fitting on its side. Right there. Obviously, a Y fitting is preferable here. The bathtub ties in on the right. All other fixtures from behind. And some slight sanding is needed right here, which we will do here in a minute. But the pipe is also relatively flat with a little pitch. And if you run water down the bathtub, which comes in on the right, it starts coming in this way before it starts draining out due to the flat pipe.
We're just recording a video right now. We will, looks like it obviously still sanding. I don't think the liner itself is the issue. Well, there's a T.
This tie-in right here
so maybe if it
is where the sinks tie in.
Yep. So right now what we're gonna do is probably just actually sand it out, and afterwards, I guess just give them the video and see what they want to do.